Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Learning with Rizwan. थर्ड मॉक टेस्ट फॉर इलेक्शन ऑफिसर प्रेपरेशन 100 एमसीक्यूज का टेस्ट है। आखिरी टेस्ट है। बेस्ट ऑफ लक आपके पेपर्स के लिए। अच्छे से तैयार करें और अच्छे से पेपर दें। इंशाल्लाह जो है अल्लाह आप सबको कामयाब करे। और आज का जो है मॉक टेस्ट अगेन वही सिलेबस हमारा है। टाइम ज़ाया नहीं कहते। चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें। बहुत वीडियोस लगाऊंगा इंशाल्लाह प्रेपरेशन के लिहाज से, दूसरे पेपर्स की भी, तो साथ साथ चलते रहें। तो गेट रेडी विद पेन एंड आंसर शीट्स। हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं आज का मॉक टेस्ट। हमारा लास्ट मॉक टेस्ट है इलेक्शन ऑफिसर प्रेपरेशन के लिहाज से। इंग्लिश के एमसीक्यूज में हमारा पहला एमसीक्यूज है, इफ आई हैड हेल्प्ड हिम ही डैश ड्राउन, विल नॉट बी, विल नॉट हैव, विल नॉट, वुड नॉट बी, वुड नॉट हैव। The loin sprang dash the buffaloes, at upon in on. The man dashed down the road is my brother. Hurry, hurried, who hurry, hurrying. Question number 4. Some people dashed to the officer against him about his misdeed. Asked, complained, questioned, informed. The president's speech was so dashed that many people were persuaded to accept the need for change. Expressive, articulate, eloquent, calm. It's difficult dash reconcile such different points of view with to in on. Cattle drove, soldier crew, grain bundle, chicken brood, bees heap. Stare glance, gulp sip, confide tell, hunt stalk, step walk. Contract implode, expand swell, add accelerate, descend plummet, cool solidify. Sensitization allergic, immunity vulnerable, habituation inured, inauguration stimulating, sleep anesthetic. The synonym of wane is employ, decline, rise, revive. Synonym of zest is passive, enthusiasm, disgust, various. Synonym of delegate is representative, officer, member, servant. Synonym of arrogant is conceited, humble, progressive, noble. The word offset could be best be replaced by carry, arrange, overflow, contract. Antonyms of elated is roused, blissful, sad, happy. Antonyms of senile is doting, anile, alert, ancient. Antonyms of tacit mean punish, dictated, grand, small. 10 cattle were grazing in the field. ये जुमला सही इसका पे चेंज करना है पैसिव. द 10 cattle were grazing in the field. जुमले की करेक्शन करनी है सॉरी. Cattle were grazing in the field. 10 cattle were grazing around the field. None. Correct the sentence. She has only dash friends. Fewer, less, more, a few. Dash me to your mother when you are in Dubai. Tell, remind, remember, greet. द penny for your thoughts ये एक idiom है. इसका मतलब बताना है an idea to ponder, to ask someone what they are thinking about, to ask someone about his belief. None. Scratch someone's back mean to complain against someone, backbiting someone, find flaws in someone's work, do someone a favor. The meaning of the idiom dance with the death is dance with the death का क्या मतलब है doing something beyond one's capability, to deceive someone, doing something that is very risky, to kill someone. Keep at bay means keep in mind, keep at a distance, keep thinking about something, keep at the seashore. Has someone made all the necessary arrangements? Has all the necessary arrangement been made by someone? Have the necessary arrangement been all made by someone? Have all the necessary arrangement been made by someone? All the necessary arrangement have been made by one. Active wise, passive wise change करना. A child could not have done this mischief. This mischief could not be done by a child. This mischief could not have been done by a child. This mischief could not been done by a child. This mischief a child could not have been done. Are you alone, my son? Asked a soft voice behind me. ये direct indirect है. A soft voice asked that I was doing there alone. A soft voice from the back asked if I was alone. A soft voice said to me, are you alone, son? A soft voice behind me asked if I was alone. She said her brother was getting married. She said her brother is getting married. She said my brother is getting married. She told her brother is getting married. She said my brother was getting married. How cruel the boss is, said the clerk. The clerk said that boss was very cruel. The clerk explained that the boss was very cruel. The clerk said that the boss is very cruel. The clerk exclaimed that the boss is very cruel. जी स्टूडेंट्स, तो अब हमारे पास इलेक्शन एक्ट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर है। कोशिश मैंने की है कि जो इलेक्शन एक्ट के चैप्टर रह गए थे उन्हीं को ज्यादा फोकस करूं। तो ओवरऑल भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे। द इलेक्शन ट्रिब्यूनल शैल हैव ऑल द पावर ऑफ अ सिविल कोर्ट ट्राइंग अ सूट अंडर द कोड ऑफ सिविल प्रोसीजर 1906, 1908, 1907, 1909। An election petition shall be presented to the election tribunal within dash days of publication in the official gazette of the name of returned candidate। कितने दिन बाद जो है वो इलेक्शन ट्रिब्यूनल को इलेक्शन पिटिशन दी जा सकती है? 15 डेज, 30 डेज, 45 डेज, 60 डेज। Which relief cannot be claimed by the petitioner? कौन सा petitioner relief claim नहीं कर सकता? Election of the returned candidate void. Election as whole is void in whole constituency. Election of the returned candidate is partially void. Re-election in whole district or province. Who has the power to transfer the petition from one tribunal to another on application of one party? Election commissioner, high court judge, commission, election commission या चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान। According to section 152, who shall assist the election tribunal in hearing? Commissioner, commission, advocate general, oath commissioner। Commission for the election petition related to provincial assembly should appoint tribunals from the Supreme Court judges, concerned district session judges, High Court judges, none of these. Appeal against the decision of election petition can be done within dash days of date of decision, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days। Election can be declared election as a whole void अगर failure of comply of this act, prevalence of extensive corrupt practices, prevalence of extensive illegal practices या all of these। Corrupt practices during election includes all following except bribery, secrecy of voting, personation, capturing the polling booth, Penalty for the corrupt practice can be imprisonment of 3 years only, 1 lakh rupee जुर्माना only, या both A and B, या all of these. Illegal practice includes all following except conveying near polling station, exercising undue influence, disorderly conduct near polling station, adversely affect the interest of the candidate. Which of the following act allowed for publicity during election program? Hoist party flag, use of loudspeaker for conversing, do wall chalking, none of these. A person guilty of failure to maintain secrecy can have penalty of imprisonment extended to 6 months, 1 year, 1 year and 6 months, 2 years. Penalty for violation of official duty in connection with election is 1,000, 50,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. How much sum of deposit in favor of commission in government treasury is required for enlisting a new political party? 50,000, 1 लाख, 1,50,000, 2 लाख. To enlist a new political party, party must submit dash members signed and thumb impression along with CNSI. कितने members? 500, 1000, 1500, 2000. How many act or orders are repealed under section 241? 4, 8, 6, 10. A caretaker prime minister shall do following except take major policy decision, assist the commission to hold election, perform its function to attend day-to-day matters, take major policy decision. Information about the source of fund will be submitted by the political parties after dash close of financial year 15, 30, 45, 60 days. Second Amendment of Election Act 2017 included dash to mention the status of Ahmadis to remain unchanged. 47A, 49A, 48A, 50A. सेकेंड अमेंडमेंट जो इलेक्शन एक्ट के अंदर हुई है वो उसमें क्या चीज ऐड की गई है ताकि अहमदी उसका स्टेटस जो है उसको अनरिमेन रखा जाए. Loyalty to state and obedience to constitution and law is mentioned in Article 4, Article 5, Article 6, Article 7. Procedure of presidential election is mentioned in पार्ट 8 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1973, इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017, शेड्यूल 2 फॉर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1973, पार्ट 4 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1973. According to Article 222, Parliament may provide law for all following except allocation of seats, preparation of electoral rolls, code of conduct of elections, delimitation of constituencies. A person can be a senator and MNA, MPA of two provinces, MPA and MNA of same district, chief minister and MPA of that provincial assembly. Person who become return candidate of two or more seats should resign from all except one within dash days after declaration of the result. 15 days, 30 days, 21 days, 35 days. Vacancy of the Senate should be filled in dash days. 15 days, 30 days, 21 days, 35 days. If chief minister and opposition leader do not agree on any person, then speaker make committee comprising of dash member from the outgoing provincial assembly for appointment of caretaker chief minister. कितने member होंगे? 4, 6, 8, 10. Which of the following elections are not done by secret ballot? General, presidential, prime minister, senate. No by-election will be conducted if the term of assembly is going to expire in dash days, 60, 90, 120, 150 days. Who will hold the office of Prime Minister till the decision of caretaker Prime Minister is finalized? Outgoing Prime Minister, Speaker of National Assembly, Chairman Senate, President. यानी caretaker जब तक डिसाइड नहीं होता तो उस टाइम तक प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन रहता है? इस्लामिक स्टडीज के एमसीक्यूज हैं. द स्टडी ऑफ रिलीजन इज कॉल्ड सिस्मोलॉजी, थियोलॉजी, ग्नोलॉजी, गिनोटोलॉजी और एटमोलॉजी. Hazrat Abu Bakr रज़ियल्लाहु तआला belong to the tribe of Banu Saham, Banu Hashim, Banu Tayyam, Banu Asad. Who destroyed Adal Sawa? Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, Hazrat Ali रज़ियल्लाहु तआला, Hazrat Saad bin Zaid, Hazrat Amr bin al-As. In which mosque the Khutbah Hujjatul Wida was given? Masjid Khaif, Masjid Haram, Masjid Nimra, none of these. How many obligatory acts of Hajj are there? One, two, three, four. हज के कितने फराइज हैं? After sleeping for 100 years, he again woke up. Hazrat Uzair alayhi salam, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam, Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. Which surah of Holy Quran throw light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animal? Surah Al-Ma'idah, Surah Al-Imran, Surah Al-Nahl, Surah Al-Ra'd. When did the lady named Zainab poisoned the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Conquest of Makkah, conquest of Khyber, Ghazwa Tabuk, Ghazwa Badr. To which prophet did Jews call the son of Allah? Hazrat Yaqub, Hazrat Idris, Hazrat Isa, Hazrat Uzair. Charter of Medina was issued in first after Hijri, and it had dash articles 47, 52, 58, 46. पाकिस्तान अफेयर के एमसीक्यूज हमारे सामने है. द बुक फ्रेंड्स नॉट मास्टर्स वाज रिटन बाय ससीर अहमद खान, जुल्फकार अली भुट्टो, लियाकत अली खान, जनरल अयूब खान. On which river Mirani Dam was constructed? Dast River, Gomal River, Kabul River, Indus River. Where is the first Greenfield International Airport located? Peshawar, Faisalabad, Islamabad, Karachi. Which regiment of Pakistan Army has awarded maximum number of Nishan-e-Haider? Balochistan Regiment, Punjab Regiment, Sindh Regiment, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Regiment. Ajodhanpur is the old name of Jacobabad, Attock, Pakpatan, Panjnad. Wakhan, a narrow strip of Afghanistan, separates Pakistan from which Central Asian country? Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. Which Congress leader was called "show boy of Congress" by Quaid-e-Azam? Gopal Acharya, Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam, Motilal Nehru. In presidential election of 1965, Ayub Khan got which election symbol? Shaheen, Laltan, Gulab ya Hathi. Pakistan National Movement was formed by Saraga Khan, Sikandar Hayat Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, none of these. Pakistan State Bank started working on 1st July 1948 with the amount of Rs 20 million, 30 million, 20 billion, 30 billion. करंट अफेयर के एमसीक्यूज देख लेते हैं। हु इज द करंट लॉ मिनिस्टर ऑफ पंजाब? मुराद रास, मोहम्मद बशारत राजा, फिरदौस आशिक अवान, फयाजुल हसन चौहान। Who is currently Governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Zahid Hussain, Riza Bakir, Tariq Bajwa, Yasin Anwar. According to the latest census, population of Punjab is 14.91 million, 9.12 million, 11.3 million, 0.07.25 million. How many seats of Punjab Assembly were elected unopposed for Senate election 2021? 5 seats, 9 seats, 7 seats, 11 seats. On the 1st March 2021, the Supreme Court announced that Senate election would be held under dash of the Constitution. Article 213, Article 222, Article 214, Article 226. Safari tourist train of Pakistan Railway launched between Golra station and Dash station on February 21, 2021. Atak, Peshawar, Rawalpindi, none of these. The second trilateral meeting of the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Turkey and Azerbaijan held in which country? Istanbul, Islamabad, Baku, none of these. Who is the current opposition leader of Sindh Assembly? Firdos Shamim Naqvi, Sardar Dost Muhammad, Zahoor Zaidi, Halim Adil. जी स्टूडेंट्स, तो आंसर आपके साथ शेयर करते चले। आंसर मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगा, इतने ज्यादा सारे हैं तो गला भी काफी खराब हो गया। तो ये आपके सामने आंसर्स हैं, आप आंसर मैच कर लें। वीडियो पॉज करके थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के लिए आंसर की शीट में बदलता रहूंगा। तो अगर आपको लगे कि रह गए आपसे आंसर, तो वीडियो पॉज करके आंसर मैच कर लीजिएगा। ये 1 से लेकर 22 है और ये नेक्स्ट है 23 से 44 तक, ये आपके सामने है। ये 45 से 66 तक आंसर है, मैच कर लें। ये 67 से 88 तक। ये आंसर्स 89 से 100 तक। ये इस तरह करके आपके तमाम आंसर हैं, मैच करने कोई गलती है, कोई कमी है तो जरूर जरूर कमेंट में बताया करें। बड़ी खुशी होती है जब कोई गलती हमें बताता है कि भाई आपसे ये एमसीक्यूज गलत हुआ है, या इस बात पे भी अक्सर करते हैं कि भाई डिस्कशन होती है कि क्यों ये एमसीक्यूज गलत है या सही है। तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कमेंट जरूर किया करें। और यहाँ पर आपने अभी कमेंट में अपने मार्क्स भी मेंशन करने हैं, लाजमी बताएं कि आपके कितने मार्क्स बने। और बेस्ट ऑफ लक आपके पेपर के लिए। बहुत बहुत दुआएं, और अल्लाह आपको खुश रखे। जज़ाकल्लाह। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा और शेयर करिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।